Are you on the hunt for healthy cooking recipes that align with Ayurvedic principles? Today we're going to explore 7 delectable dishes that do just that. First up, we have khichdi. This dish is both nourishing and easy to digest, combining basmati rice, mung beans, and an array of spices such as cumin, coriander, turmeric, and ginger. Often used in Ayurvedic cleanses, khichdi is considered a complete protein and an excellent choice during times of digestive distress. Next on our list is turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This warm and comforting beverage is created by simmering milk with turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and just a hint of honey. Famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric supports digestion and boosts immune health. Our third dish is a vibrant vegetable curry. This flavorful concoction consists of a variety of seasonal vegetables cooked in a coconut milk or tomato-based sauce, seasoned with Ayurvedic spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Paired with brown rice or quinoa, this meal is balanced and satisfying. Fourthly, we have ghee-roasted vegetables. Roasting a mix of colorful vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts in ghee, or clarified butter, then seasoning with turmeric, black pepper, and sea salt makes a mouth-watering side dish. Ghee is known to lubricate the digestive tract and enhance the absorption of nutrients from vegetables. Next, consider a quinoa salad with fresh herbs. After cooking the quinoa, toss with chopped fresh herbs like cilantro, mint, and parsley, along with diced cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. A squeeze of lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper completes this refreshing dish. Our sixth recipe is a spiced lentil soup, known as dal. Start by cooking red lentils with onions, garlic, ginger, and spices like cumin, coriander, and mustard seeds. Serve the dal with a squeeze of lemon juice and fresh cilantro for added flavor and freshness. Finally, we have a sweet fruit compote. Simmer seasonal fruits like apples, pears, and berries with a touch of water, honey, and warming spices like cinnamon and cloves until soft and syrupy. This compote can be a topping for yogurt or oatmeal, or even enjoyed as a standalone dessert. In summary, these recipes not only tantalize the taste buds, but also align with Ayurvedic principles, balancing the body and supporting overall health and well-being. Whether you're familiar with Ayurveda, or just starting your journey, these dishes are a delightful and healthful addition to any meal plan.